Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This review reflects my personal experience with the service. Quit Genius is a digital clinic specializing in addiction treatment, offering personalized support to help individuals overcome substance dependencies. Leveraging a comprehensive approach that blends therapy, medication, and coaching, Quit Genius strives to provide a holistic path towards recovery. Their program is accessible through a user-friendly app, facilitating convenient and discreet engagement with the resources and support offered. One of the key strengths of Quit Genius lies in its personalized treatment plans. These plans are tailored to the individual's specific needs and circumstances, taking into account factors such as the substance used, the severity of addiction, and personal goals. This personalized approach allows for a more targeted and effective intervention, increasing the chances of successful recovery. The program incorporates evidence-based therapies like cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and mindfulness techniques, equipping users with practical strategies to manage cravings, cope with triggers, and develop healthier coping mechanisms. Qualified therapists deliver these therapies, ensuring professional guidance throughout the recovery journey. In addition to therapy, Quit Genius also offers access to medication, where clinically appropriate, further assisting in managing withdrawal symptoms and reducing cravings. This integrated approach recognizes the multifaceted nature of addiction and provides a comprehensive support system to address it. Furthermore, dedicated coaches provide ongoing support and motivation, acting as accountability partners and offering encouragement during challenging times. This element of human connection adds a crucial layer of support, fostering a sense of community and shared understanding. Quit Genius emphasizes flexibility and accessibility, allowing users to engage with the program at their own pace and convenience. The app-based delivery model allows for discreet access to resources, making it easier for individuals to seek help without fear of judgment or stigma. By combining technology with evidence-based practices, Quit Genius offers a modern and effective solution for individuals seeking to overcome addiction and reclaim their lives. They strive to empower users with the tools and support they need to navigate the complexities of recovery and achieve lasting behavioral change.